So, welcome back to Discover with Adam, and today we will be doing the impossible. We will be doing something completely different. I've got homework in the autumn holidays. Sometimes. But it says pick one. I get to choose. And I am going to show you guys how to make your very own lava lamp. Before we do the fun bit, we need to do the boring bit, which is researching on this site. And after you research on that site, we get to the fun bit, which is making the lava lamp. Good luck researching. So I've got everything I need. I don't need to buy anything, which is good. So now let's get making the lava lamp. So everything we need is water, a clear plastic bottle, vegetable oil, which is mummy, food dye, which I have chosen red, and tablets that fizz. I have chosen a hydration tablet. By the way, it can be any tablet that fizzes, so no struggling with that. So while saying that, let's just get straight into it. So the instructions say fill the plastic bottle with water until it is a quarter full. So let's do that. Why not? Okay, I'm really bad at filling, but let's just go. Almost. Okay. That. Yes, I got that right. And then it says fill the rest with vegetable oil until nearly full. I'm going to need a hand for that, so I'll meet you guys back in a moment. Okay, look how beautiful this is. It's not a science lesson. We're looking for wobbly. Nothing happens there. That's beautiful. But now, let's just get on with it. 3. Wait for the oil and water to separate. We've done that. And then 4. Add about 12 drops of any colour food dye to the bottom. Okay, let's do that, shall we? 12 drops. Okay. There, I think. Yeah, a bit more. 1, 2. Guys, this is disgusting. It stinks. All the mixture. Disgusting. Does anyone have a tissue? Let me just look at the tissue. Clean up now, guys. And it really looks like blood. It's disgusting. So now 5 is water the food dye, mixes the oil and mixes with the water. Done. Look how beautiful that is. And then 6 is chop the fizzy tablet into 5 or 6 pieces and drop one into the bottle. It should start looking like a lava lamp now. Okay, let's get one of you beautiful big boys out. Oh my god! Okay, so this is the only knife I'm allowed. But it's blunt, so let's just check how life goes with this one. Oh my god. That actually smells quite nice. Oh my god, that is fizzy. Oh, I got into my eyes. Caution, do not do this without an adult. Let's get it done. mistakes. This is a strong tablet. Oh, for God's sake. So guys, I just love them. I see. Okay, so okay, let's put one in and see what happens. But okay, let's just go for it. Oh, that's actually quite cool. I like it. I like it very much. So this is my bad boy right here, and if any of you guys want to make it for yourself, go ahead. It's not that hard. It doesn't need any electronics. So yeah, go ahead. So if you like this video, subscribe, and when you subscribe, press the like button, and then in the comment section below, please tell me what my next video could be about. I'd really like to find out. So till next time guys, peace out.